Okay. So we are recording now. Nothing really has happened. We spent the past 15 minutes just staring at the screen with all these sentences, which we were supposed to translate. So the first one is, this is Rama's house, and Vandana Mataji said, Eshaha Ramasya Graham, and Chitra Mataji said, Etat Ramasya Graham. Now, which is the correct version? Etat.
Etat.
Okay. Etat Ramasya Graham. Etat Graham. Etat Graham. Okay. Second one. His sister's name is Jayanti. Who can translate?
Tasya Bhaginasya.
Oh, okay. Tasya Bhagini, na? Bhaginyaha
Nama Jayanti.
Samichinam. Is this correct?
Yes.
Tasya Bhaginyaha Nama Jayanti. We can also say Etasya Bhaginyaha Nama Jayanti, because we don't know this his is whether he's close or he's far. Na? So he could be close or he could be far. So Tasya or Etasya. Bhaginyaha. Sister is Bhagini. Bhagini. Bhaginyaha. Bhagini. Bhaginyaha. Radha. Radhayaha. Okay. Jayanti. Jayantyaha. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. So the next one. Jayanti's dog is pink.
Jayantyaha Shunakaha Patala.
Jayantyaha Shunakaha
Patala.
I can't hear you very well. Probably. Sorry. Come 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just increase the volume. I think my volume is very low. Yeah. Come again. Jayantyaha Shunakaha
Patala.
Patala. Okay. Where is it? Oh, sorry.
Pink Patala.
Patala.
It should be Patalaha.
Patalaha. Yo, where is it going? Cancel. Is this correct? Jayantyaha Shunakaha Patalaha. Is that correct?
Can we say
Feminine. Sunakaha, feminine. Sunak, that is feminine is Sunaka.
Yes, it's correct.
What is feminine? What are you talking about?
Jayantyaha, this is feminine.
Yeah, Jayantyaha is feminine.
Correct. Sunakaha, this is aha is masculine.
Correct.
This should be feminine, no?
What? Okay, what is pink?
Pink is dog.
color?
Dog.
Yeah. Pink is a color. That is correct. But
Dog is pink.
Dog is pink.
Pink.
Okay. Dog is pink. Now, dog is masculine or feminine?
Here,
Masculine.
Masculine.
So the pink should also be masculine.
Yeah.
Patalaha. Patalana pata. Patalaha. Jayantyaha Shunakaha Patalaha. Astu. Is that clear to everyone? Yeah. Okay. Next one. His name is Roger.
तस्य नाम महोदय रोजर.
Roger.
Nama-
महोदय महोदय.
Roger.
Okay.
Mahodaya.
Actually, you would say Roger Mahodaya.
Okay.
और तस्य नाम रोचरः.
Cannot have Roger Raha, na? Because it's not a Sanskrit name.
This is
Okay.
So you can just go Tasya Nama Roger.
Okay.
Okay, now Tasya Nama Roger
Mahodaya. Dayah.
Mahodayaha. Because if you say Mahodaya, what is happening?
Sambodhan.
Calling.
Sambodhana. Hey Krishna. When Krishna is standing without aha, it is you're calling him.
Yeah.
So Mahodaya, without the aha, you're calling. Okay, so Mahodayaha. Okay, okay, excellent. Tasya Nama Roger. Tasya Nama Roger Mahodayaha. The Mahodayaha may not to worry. Okay. His dog's father's name is Indra.
तस्य सुनकः
Tasya sunakas.
सुनकस्य.
जनक
तस्य सुनकस्य.
Tasya Shunakasya
नाम
Chanan. Chanak.
इंद्र.
Janakas.
जनकः
जनकस्य sorry father.
Janak.
जनकस्य
Janakasya nama
नाम इंद्र.
Indra.
Is this correct?
Indra.
Indra.
Oh. Indra. Indra is Mayankali.
Okay. Tasya Shunakasya Janakasya Nama Indra. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so everyone's clear about how the possessives work? So shall we go ahead? Shall we learn something new today?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Out, okay, to everyone. Now, today we are going to learn verbs. So I'll stop sharing my screen. And once we learn verbs, then, the whole world opens up to us. There's just so many things we can do, We can eat, we can sleep, we can go here, we can go there, we can do things. Life just gets very interesting. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to learn verbs, but the verbs are going to be singular and they're going to be in present tense. So what this actually means is that in Sanskrit, plurals, the verb changes. Okay, and this we can see in Hindi also. वो खाता है, वे खाते हैं. So the khata becomes khate. So similarly, in Sanskrit also it changes. But we are only going to look at the singular. And we are only going to look at the present tense. वो खाता है, वो खाएगा नहीं. We are not going to look at the future or the past. Okay, we're going to look at only the present singular. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'll open up the verbs. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Now, verbs are called Kriya Padam. Padam means word. Kriya means deed. So Kriya Padani, verbs. Okay. Now, the format of the verb changes. The ending of the verb changes when I am doing, you are doing, or he is doing, and you do it. So we're going to look at 3 formats. Okay. You, he, she, it are doing. Okay. I am doing. Hey, you do. Okay. So 3 formats. The first one is Saha, Sa, Bhavan, Bhavati. You are doing. You are doing. Okay. So bowing down. Namati. Okay. So when you are doing it, the ending is ati. Okay. So we'll just go through this list here. Okay. Bowing down, namati. Buying, krinati. You want to repeat after me? Chanting, japati.
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 You are chanting. Bhavan, japati.
Bhavan
Japati.
Japati.
Ha. Comes. Okay. He is coming. Saha agachati.
Saha
Saha
agachati.
Agachati.
Ah. Pachati means to cook. Janani pachati.
Janani pachati.
Ah. Roditi cries. Shishuhu roditi.
Shishuhu
Shishu
roditi.
Iti.
Nrityati to dance.
Nrityati.
Mayuraha nrityati.
Mayuraha nrityati.
Nrityati.
Pibati. Pibati to drink. Pipasaha pibati.
Pipasaha pibati.
One who is thirsty, he is drinking. Khadati.
Kadati.
Khadati.
Kadati.
Bubukshakaha khadati. He who is hungry is eating.
Mukshataha khadati.
Vismarati forgets.
Vismarati.
Vismarati.
Vismarati. Saha vismarati.
Saha vismarati.
Vismarati.
Dadati to give.
Dadati.
Janakaha dadati.
Dadati.
Janakaha dadati.
Then
Gachati.
gachati. So agachati to come.
Gachati.
Gachati to
Go.
go. Balakaha gachati.
Gachati.
Balakaha gachati.
Gachati.
Then when something happens, bhavati.
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 Vrishtihi bhavati. Rain is happening. Shrunoti.
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 Geetam shrunoti.
Shrunoti.
Geetam Shrunoti.
Tadayati.
Tadayati.
Adayati.
Janani tadayati.
Janani
Janani
Tadayati.
Tadayati.
Atra janani na tadayati.
Atra Janani na Tadayati.
Tadayati.
Etasmin deshe janani na tadayati. Hasati.
Asati.
Bhavati hasati.
Asati.
Bhavati hasati.
Udghatayati.
Udghatayati.
Tadayati.
Dwaram udghatayati.
Dvam.
Dwaram
Tadayati.
So pathati.
Sa
means,
pathati.
Patati.
So
pathati means to read. Kridati plays.
Patati.
Swikaroti
Receives.
receives.
Svikar.
So now let's move on to aham. So now you realize you, he, she, it, ending is ti.
Yeah.
Okay. You are doing ti. Okay. I am doing me. I, me, myself. I, me. Okay. So the ending will also be me. Okay. So that is how we remember it. When you are doing it, it is ti. Are doing, now doing, ti. Karoti, khadati, pibbati. I am doing, me.
Me.
Me actually, but me. We'll remember it as me. So remember. Smarami. Aham
Smarami.
smarami. Aham dhavami. Running. I am running. Aham dhavami. Aham namaskaromi.
Aham namaskaromi.
Aham tarjayami.
Aham tarjayami.
Tarjayami, I'm scolding. Aham tarjayami.
Aham
Aham
tarjayami.
pashyami.
Aham pashyami.
Aham preshayami.
Aham preshayami.
Preshayami means I send. Or I serve. Aham bhojanam preshayami.
Aham bhojanam preshayami.
Aham geetam gayami.
Aham geetam gayami.
Aham upavishami.
Aham upavishami.
Aham asande upavishami. I sit in a chair.
Aham asande
Upavishami.
Aham nidrami.
Aham nidrami.
Aham uttishthami.
Aham uttishtami.
Aham chintayami.
Aham chintayami.
Aham chalami.
Aham chalami.
Okay. Aham atami.
Aham atami.
Aham charami.
Aham charami.
Aham bhramami.
Aham brahmami.
All this means I'm wandering around. Okay. I want. Aham ichhami.
Aham ichhami.
Chami.
So do you understand this?
Yeah.
When I am doing, it is me, 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 me. I, me, okay? Now, when I tell you, you do, it has to end in tu. Do, tu. Tu, kar. Tu, do. Okay? Do, tu. All right? So, if I want to say, you wash. Bhavan prakshalayatu. Tu. It has to end in tu. Bhavan prakshalayatu.
Bhavan prakshalayatu.
You wear this dress. Bhavati dharayatu.
Bhavati bharayatu.
Jayatu.
Jayatu.
May you win.
May you win.
Jayatu.
Jayatu.
Bhajatu. Krishnam bhajatu. Yeah.
Krishnam bhajatu.
Then likhatu. Right?
Writing.
Right? Likhatu. Now, when it comes to electricity, turning on and turning off, we say vidyut samyutana karotu, which means turn it on. And vidyut niyutana karotu, this turn it off. Okay. So, if I want to say, look, you can look here in these, in the first column. Okay. And if I want to say, I am cooking, how will I say that?
I am cooking.
Aham pachati.
Pachami.
Aham pachami. Correct. Me. Okay. Aham pachami. I want to say, you are dancing.
Bhavat.
Nrityatu. Nrityatu.
Nrityati.
Nrityati. You are dancing. If I tell you, hey,
Bhavati
dance.
nrityati.
If I say, hey, you dance, then
Nrityatu.
nrityatu. When I tell you to do something, nrityatu. If I'm saying you are doing it, nrityati. Okay? Okay. I am giving.
I am giving. Goes give.
Aham dadami.
Aham dadami.
Aham dadami. Bahu samichinam. Saha hearing.
Yes. Saha. Snoti.
Saha shrunoti.
Snoti.
Saha shrunoti.
Hearing.
I bow down. First one.
Aham namami.
Namami.
Aham namami.
Mami.
Huh? Now, you drink.
Pibat. Drink pibati.
Pibatu.
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 Pibatu. Pibatu. Eat.
Khadatu.
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 Come here.
Agachatu.
Agachatu.
Suppose I want to say, come here.
Yes.
Bhavan.
Itat. Esha.
Here.
How would you say here?
Agachati.
Here. Agachatu is correct. Come here.
Bhavan agachatu.
Esh.
Atra agachatu.
Asat.
You learn something new, the old falls out, na? I know it happens, I know. Never mind. Atra agachatu. Okay? Go there. So go. Goes here.
Go gachatu.
Go.
Go there.
Gachati.
Tatra gachatu.
Gachati.
Gachadu. Tatra.
Tatra gachatu.
Oh, tatra gachadu. Okay.
Okay? So now we'll look at some sentences. So is this clear? I'll send you this whole list, okay? So you go through it and you basically try using it around the house. And you try learning as many words as you can. That'll be very useful. Okay? So let's now look at some sentences. Gayatri is going.
Gayatri.
Gayatri gachati. Okay. Now, here you have to remember one thing. When it comes to the format of sentences, Sanskrit sentences will start with the doer in the beginning and the verb at the end.
Yes.
Okay. Gayatri gachati. It'll not be gachati Gayatri. Okay. Gayatri gachati. Father is coming. Janakaha agachati. Mother is eating. Janani khadati. Son is drinking. Putraha pibati. Daughter is dancing. Putri nrityati. Mother is crying. Janani roditi. He forgets. Saha vismarati. Riddhi gives. Riddhi dadati. Okay. Now I am doing something. I am playing. Aham krida. I'm reading. Aham patami. I remember. Aham smarami. I run. Aham bhavami. I see. Aham pashyami. I scold. Aham tarjayami.
Tarjayami.
I am singing.
Aham
Aham
gayami.
gayami. I'm sleeping. Aham
Aham
nidrami. So when Brahmaji sings Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Okay. Now, when I tell you to do something, you do. You cook. Bhavan Pachatu. You do too. Okay. You dance. Bhavan Nrityatu. You eat. Bhavati Khadatu. You hear. Bhavan Shrunotu. You chant. Bhavan Japatu.
Japatu.
You forget. Bhavati Vismaratu. You read. Bhavan Pathatu. Okay. So, and then here we have some other examples. So, if you just take Pashyati. Vamanaha Pashyati. Aham Pashyami. Bhavan Pashyatu. Clear?
So
Yes.
Bhavan and Bhavat can be different, is it?
Bhavan
is
means
you.
Masculine. Bhavan masculine.
Yeah.
Bhavati is
So
is feminine. So, Bhavan means you to a man. Bhavati means you to a woman.
Woman, yeah.
so can you can do it, but in English you said you read. That means, why do you say it's a man? It's just randomly we can some feminine, some masculine we did, is it?
That is correct.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now, before we go down to the Bhagavad Gita shlokas, let us learn something new today, which is, we've already learned something new, which is the verbs, but let's also look at the names for some relatives. Okay. So relatives are called bandhavaha, bandhavaha. So bandhavaha, bandhu. Okay, bandhavaha. Father, Janaka.
Janaka.
We know that. Mother, Janani. Paternal grandfather,
Pitamaha.
Pitamaha. Pitamahi. Okay, grandmother. Maternal grandfather, Matamaha and Matamahi. Yeah. Husband is Patihi. Wife,
Patni.
Pati,
Bharya.
Arya, Jaya. Son,
Putra.
Putra. Daughter, Putri.
Putri.
Older brother,
Jayeshta Brata.
Jyeshta Bhrata, or best is, because remember we want to go with aha ending, we use Agrajaha. Okay. Whenever you see a word ending in ja, usually what it means is Janma hua, born. Okay. Agra means in front. So born in front means born before, older. And because it ends in aha, it is a boy. So the older brother. Okay. Older sister, Agraja.
Agraja.
Similarly, younger brother,
Anujaha.
Anujaha, Anuja.
Kanishta Brata.
Kanishta Bhrata, Kanishta Bhagini. Okay. But this is just too big. Agraja, Anuja, simple.
Ramanuja.
Anuja, yeah, Rama Anuja. Rama Anuja, Lakshmanaha. So Anuja, Anu means what? To follow. Anukaranam. Anusaranam. Anukaranam means doing as one does. Anusaranam, following in their footpaths. Yeah. So Anu. Anu means to follow. Baby. Shishuhu. There is no ending word for this, so we'll go with Shishuhu only. Okay. Pautraha means son's son. In English, everything is grandson, granddaughter. But here, son's son is Pautraha. Son's daughter, Pautri. Daughter's son, Dauhitraha.
Dautra.
Dauhitraha. And daughter's daughter, Dauhitra. Okay. Now, maternal uncle, that is mother's brother,
Matulaha.
Matulaha.
Matula.
Matulaha. Shakuni Matulaha. Maternal uncle's wife, Matulani. Maternal aunt, so mother's sister, Matrubhagini.
Matrubhagini.
Matrubhagini. And her husband, if you can say,
Matrushvastupati. Quite mouthful.
Matrushvasupatihi. Matru means mother, Swashru means sister, Patihi, mother's sister's husband. Okay, Matru Swashru Patihi. Paternal uncle, so father's brother, Pitrubhyaha. Pitrubhyaha. And paternal uncle's wife, Pitruvyapati. And then father's sister, Pitruvya. Mother-in-law, Shwashru. Sasu. Shwashru. Father-in-law, Shwasuraha. Shwasuraha. Sasur, Shwasuraha. Son-in-law, Jamata. Jamai. Jamata. Daughter-in-law, Snusha. Snusha. Yeah. Brothers, a wife's brother, Shalaha.
Sala.
Sala. Yes. Krishnaha, Arjunasya, Shyalaha. Astu va na va? Krishnaha, Arjunasya, Shyalaha va? Krishna is Arjuna's wife's brother. Subhadra's brother.
Yeah.
Na? So, Krishnaha Arjunasya Shyalaha. Wife's sister Shyali. Husband's brother Devaraha. His wife Devarapati. Husband's sister Nananda. Nananda. Brother. Now coming to your brother. Brother's wife Bhratrijaya. Brother's son Bhratrivyaha. Putrivyaha Bhratrivyaha. Brother's daughter Bhratrivya. Sister's husband. Bhavukah. Bhavukah asti. Bhavukah means emotional.
Yeah.
You know? So, poor sister's husband, very emotional. Sister's son, Bhagineya. Sister's daughter, Bhagineya. Friend, Mitram. Girl, friend, Sakhi. Siblings, brother and sister, sister and sister, Sahodaraha. Plural. Okay, siblings, plural. Sahodaraha. Twins, Yamala. Okay. So remember in the Damodara Leela, we read about the Yamala Arjuna trees.
Yes.
The twin Arjuna trees. So it's the two trees. Okay, twins Yamala. So that's relationships for you. Okay, so that's something new to have in your vocabulary as well. Just you don't need to know all of this. but just the more common ones. And a good way to learn this is to take all these and put names against them. So for instance, suppose you want to say, my mother-in-law, Swashru.
Shrew.
And then you say, okay, what is her name? Put that against it. Father-in-law, Swashuraha. Put his name against it. Wife's brother or husband's brother, Devaraha, Ajayaha, Devaraha. So you put his name against it. And that way, you can,
Correlate.
it anchors in your head. Okay. So today, coming back to verbs, do you remember what we did with verbs?
Verbs.
Since we went off and did something else? Suppose we want to say dhavati. Dhavati means to run. Okay. So if I want to say he is running, how will I say it?
He is running present he and all the Davati.
Dhavati. Saha dhavati. Saha dhavati. I am running.
Aham dhavami.
Davati.
Aham dhavami.
Dhavami.
You run.
Davatu.
Dhavatu.
Yeah.
Okay. Now suppose I want to give you another word. Okay. Let us say, what shall we say? Patati.
Patati.
How will I say he?
He but
Saha
Aha patati.
patati.
Very good. Saha patati.
Patati.
Aham.
Patami.
Aham patami.
Ami.
Bhavati
Patatu.
pathatu. Okay. Now another one. If I want to say Gayati.
Gayati.
You are singing.
Bhavati.
Gayati.
Bhavati.
Bhavati Gayati. You are singing. Okay. Bhavati Gayati. You sing.
Bhavati gayatu.
Gayatu. I am singing.
Aham gayami.
Gayati. Aham gayami.
Gayatimi.
Aham Gayami.
Gaya.
Although we said me, it's actually Ami. Okay. Ends in Ami. Aham Gayami. Okay. Gachati. She goes.
Sa gachati.
Bahu samichinam. Sa
Sa
gachati.
gachati.
She is
You are going.
Gachatu. You Bhavati.
You are going.
gachati.
Gachatu.
Bhavan gachati.
Bhavan gachati. You are going. Bhavan gachati. He is going.
Saha gachati.
Saha gachati.
Saha gachati. You go.
Gachatu.
Bhavan gachatu.
Gachatu. Bhavan gachatu. Bhavati gachatu. I am going.
Aham
Aham
gachami.
gachami.
Aham gachami.
Gachami.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent job. Now, if you want to look at Bhagavad Gita verses 130, 31, and 33, you'll see a lot of relatives are actually listed over there. So let us look at.
Shala Vesasura.
Yes, somebody nastatha. Sorry. Okay, before we look at that, look at 130. Okay. Now in 130, can you find the verbs here?
Brahmati.
Okay, so in fact, don't look at the verse, look at the synonyms. Okay, look here. Okay, sorry, what was that?
Pashyami.
Pashyami, very good. Pashyami is I am.
Viparitani.
I see.
Viparitani.
No, it's Ani, not Ami.
Brahmati.
Brahmati. Yes, Brahmati. Very good. What else?
Shaknomi.
Shaknomi. Aham shaknomi. Aham pashyami. Brahmati. Mama manaha brahmati. Here is manaha here. Mama manaha brahmati. Okay. Saha brahmati. Manaha brahmati. Correct? The mind is forgetting. I am able, shaknomi. I am seeing, pashyami. Okay, excellent job. Well done. Now look at this. Now, in this, where are we? Here, look at this. Acharyaha.
Acharyaha. Pitra.
Pitaraha. Pitaraha means fathers. Putraha. It's all in plural, okay? Putraha. Remember we saw putraha, sons. Putraha, sons. Pitamaha. Pitamaha means
Grandfather.
father's father. Yeah, because mother's father is Matamaha. Yeah, Matamaha, Pitamaha. Here it is Pitamaha. Father's father. Matulaha. Matulaha.
Mother's mother.
Mother's brother.
Brother.
Mother's brother. Shwashuraha.
Father-in-laws.
Father-in-law. Very good. Shwashur. Shasur, na?
Yeah.
Pautraha.
Son's son.
Son's son. Very good. Shalaha. So Shalaha,
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law. Excellent. Excellent.
Sambandhis.
Yeah. Sambandhinaha.
Sambandhis.
All the sambandhis. Tatha. Etan na hantum ichhami. Aham ichhami. I desire. Aham na ichhami. I do not desire. Aham hantum na ichhami. I do not desire to kill. So aham na ichhami. What is Madhusudana?
Killer of Madhu. Madhu Deva.
Killer of Madhu.
Yes. And what form is it in?
Madhusudana.
Does it have an aha at the end?
No, it's Sambodhan.
Sambodhana. Very good.
Hey Madhusudana.
Hey Madhusudana. Very good. What about Govinda?
Hey Govinda.
Hey Govinda. Janardana.
Hey Janardana.
Hey Janardana. Okay. So when you see all these names without the aha, you know immediately that it is hey Sambodhana. Excellent job. Okay. Okay. So, any questions on today's? All good?
लक्ष्मी माता जी
हाँ जी.
क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो इधर लिखने में संस्कृत में क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं आता है.
हम लोग लिख भी सकते हैं नहीं भी सकते हैं नॉर्मली तो बिकॉज व्हेन यू रीड योर Abhi, look at this verse, okay?
Yeah.
Kim. Kim means what?
Who?
Kim का मतलब क्या है?
Ka.
Who? Who's?
What?
What? Who?
Yeah, what or who? Correct. Now, is there what means question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who means question, right? So, but in the Bhagavad Gita, do you see any question marks?
No.
No.
That's why. That's
Yeah.
what I'm confused.
So
Yeah.
in Sanskrit, there are no punctuations. There are only two punctuations.
Hmm.
This one and this one.
Okay.
This one line means end of a sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Two lines means end of a paragraph.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. That's the only difference.
Okay.
And that's the only punctuation.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else is inferred from what is written. So we learn aage jaake, you know, how to say quotation marks also. Suppose you want to say, I say, come here.
Mm-hmm.
So the come here is within quotes, right?
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
learn how to say that also. Iti.
Okay.
You know, so all that also we learn going forward. But
Oh.
for the purpose of understanding, if you want to put question marks, no problem. You want to leave out the question marks, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So wherever what I try and do is sometimes I leave out the question marks just to get you thinking, because when
Mm-hmm.
we look at our verses, there is no question marks.
Yeah.
You know, so then you have to be familiar with the fact that when Kim comes, Kutra,
Mm.
Kutra means where. Correct.
Mm. Yeah.
Where is already a question. Why do you need a question mark?
Mm.
That is the whole logic.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll send you all these notes and everything. And this has some homework as well. So
Okay.
there is a video to watch. Please, please, please do watch videos. There is no other way you're going to learn this language. I can guarantee that. If you don't watch the video, you're not going to get anywhere. Okay.
Mm.
So watch the videos and do your homework. And if you get into any trouble, call me. Well, not if you get into trouble with somebody, okay? But
Not when.
okay. Bahu dhanyawadaha. You were an awesome
Dhanyawada.
class.
Hare Krishna.
And
Hare
I'm
Krishna.
really so happy with the work you all did on those sentences. Excellent job. Wonderful. Bahu dhanyawada. Hare Krishna. Namo Namaha.
Nah.
Thank you.
Shubharatri.
Shubharatri.
Shubharatri.